my darling FUMINATION. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you are so very welcome indeed. Darlings, are we living for the fit? This is by Educan, Unapologetically Fit, my girlfriend from California, and we've been friends for like forever. Go and support her. She's here on YouTube. She's trained me for about 3-4 years now. I am seeing the difference. I am seeing the difference over 40. I am seeing the difference being over 50. I'm 55. I'm seeing the difference with weights. So I constantly work out with weights. I do weight training 3 times a week. And I also do cardio, but not as much as my weights. But before we get into that, we have a meet and greet, my darlings. It's a countdown. I'll be flying to New York in a couple of days. You're going to see me around, baby. Yes, and I'll be working out at the hotel as well. And I'll be showing you what I'm doing. Yeah, baby. The tickets are down below. The catering. Oh my God, you're going to live and love. You're going to live and love the food. You're going to live and love the goodie bags. Thank you very much to all of the sponsors. When I tell you that you are going to enjoy them, the whole ambience, darlings, you're going to live and love. If you want to have breakfast with Fumi, go right ahead. Yes, my darling, it's a whole Fumi experience from the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. Yes, my darling. So on the 1st, we have what? We have lunch with Fumi. And then we have what? We have dinner with Fumi. That's the Friday, the 2nd of August, which is a Friday. And then we have breakfast with Fumi, and that's the 3rd. And oh my God, the fabulosity is real. And then we have the big event on the 4th. If you are looking for hotels, you're looking for flights, hit the Sabali Global Travel. Martin will hook you up, and we are what? We are good to go. So today we're going to have strength training and burning fat. You have to strength train and build muscle to what? To burn the fat. This is really truly what I have been doing, and I wanted to share with you all. So without a beat, get ready, my darlings. Alrighty, so are we ready to warm up? Okay, so just step to the side. Yep, shake it all out, move around. We're gonna shake it all out, move around, get all those joints warmed up. Make sure that you see a physician before you do any of these, because I don't want you to hurt yourselves now. I just want you to come out here and be able to work out. All right, legs apart and just stretch from one to the other. Stretch from one to the other. There you go. Let's do 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bend down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now get your weights, my darlings. And I do 2 kg. You have to have weights that are heavy enough that will give an impact. If they're too light, you're not going to burn. If you're burning, you're going to feel it. And if you're burning what? You're burning fat. So without any further ado, let us go. And we're just going to go down and up. What I want you to do at all times is keep your tummy sucked in, all right? Because we're working that too. So let us do 20, all right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Step as you can see. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Keep your tummy sucked in. We're going to do leg lifts, okay? And that will power the tummy and the fupa. Keep your weights in your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Tap it out, tap it out, tap it out. Legs apart. You're going to lift your arms. 1, and bring it back down. These are going to burn, so let's do 10 and see how we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Bring it down. I know you felt that. I did. We're going to bring our arms in front, legs apart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Tap it out, tap it out, tap it out. Okay? Alrighty. So we're going to lean to the side. 1, stretch it all out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, relax. Squat. Yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Take a break. Very good job. Very, very good job. Ooh. So with your weights, we're going to put it on our shoulders and we're going to do lunges and come back up. It's a full body because you're lifting the weights, you're working out your legs, your thighs, your butt, you're sucking in your tummy, and you're working out your shoulders as well. So here we go with 10, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Come together, shake it out. It's gonna burn, but it's good. It's good for you. Now we're gonna throw the leg out onto the side. 1, 2, yeah? All right, so we're gonna do 20, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You will feel this all on the side of your leg and then your butt right here, because that's what you're working. Okay? Suck in your tummy, and we're just going to do twists all around. Okay? Usually I will use a heavier weight, and what you do, you just take it around, and we'll do 20. Okay? One way and 20 the other way. All right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's go onto the floor and do some ab workout. There we go. I hope you can see me. All right. So this I've done many a time, and it just works. It just works for me. I see the difference, but we're doing it with weights. So you lie all the way down and you lift yourself up just right here, and then you have your tummy right here and you lift it, pull it in, squeeze and lift. Yeah, and let us do 10 and see if we can do another 5. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That burns like no man's business. And because it burns, we're gonna do it again. 5, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good job. We're gonna put our legs in front of us and apart, and we're gonna try and reach like so with a dumbbell. Let's do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Good job. Relax. Let me get some water, and then we're gonna go up and just do a little bit more, and then we're done. This I live and love. It's a bit tricky, but I love it because I see how it tones my thigh. So you're going to put all of your weight on one leg, like so. 1, 2, yeah? Let's try and do 10. It's going to need some balance. If you cannot, you can put your leg like so, and you can pull it up. But I want you to use this leg to pull it up. Pull up the weights, and you're going to see the tone in the upper thigh. All right? Let's do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yeah, let's do it with the other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. It's just little ones, but you feel it instantly. Let's do another 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for whatever reason, this leg is stronger than this leg. It's amazing. Alright. Let's do the second one. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Good job. And then just to finish it off, we do lunges again. Yeah? Here we go. And up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Woo! Good job, my darlings. Good job. And just shake it out. Again, you can do this 3 times a week. You can do as many reps as you like. Sometimes I do reps, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I'll do the ones that I like. Sometimes I'll do the ones that burn, because I begin to see the difference. And I know you cannot say that you cannot tone certain parts of your body, but when I do these, my tummy, my thighs, and my arms leaner, tighter. Not necessarily that the scale is changing, but my body is much more snatched. When Educan sent me these, I could barely fit into them. This is a size small. I'm still the same weight, and I've dropped from kind of like a medium to a small. And I live for it because I'm stronger, I eat better, eat your proteins. Do not skim back on your food. You need the food so that you can burn the calories and you can build muscle. I hope you enjoyed it, my darlings. For those of you that are in your 40s, for those of you that are in your 50s, I'm 55. I hope I'll be doing this in my 60s, 70s, and 80s. Come right ahead, my darlings, and I will see you what? I'll see you in New York. All of my love. Mwah. Peace. Oh my God.